Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm really so happy that you accepted my request. I'm really desperate to improve my listening and speaking practice.
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
Okay, where do you come from?
To the USA, New
Oh,
York.
yeah, USA, New York. You know the Queensland, New York, USA?
Mhm.
Uh, and
Maine.
yeah, I'm from Bangladesh, but in 2014, I have got a girlfriend from Newark, Queensland. We just were together for more than 2.5 years, but unfortunately, we lost
Mhm.
each other with a argument. But
Right.
she always just argue with me anyway. Just skip it. Is just I know the Queensland, New York. It was very familiar places to me. Look, I'm really sorry, losing my word how to start with we as you are from United States. So, what do you do? May I know?
What do I do?
Yeah, for work,
I'm a nurse.
nurse. Last couple of the days, I am getting that dizziness in my head for using too much
Mhm.
internet. I'm really so fighting for getting the native speaker on my platform so that I can rise up my skill as well. So, can you give me initial treatment? Uh,
I don't know, bro.
Sorry.
You were watching people. Oh, it's a kid. Oh no, you're okay. I'm in a
uh,
park.
okay, it's okay. So, can you give me just initial treatment? Are you okay?
Mhm.
And any problem out there?
No, you're good.
Oh, you are looking around just like
It's just
scary.
people. It's just people walking by.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. So as I said, you getting some dizziness in my head for the last couple of the days for using too much internet. So can you give me some initial
Mhm.
remedy how to get rid of this problem?
Okay. I don't know what you're saying.
I said I'm getting headache.
I don't understand you.
I'm getting headache, some
You're getting a
dizziness.
headache.
Yeah, so dizziness for using the too much
Okay.
internet. For using so much internet. So what should I do initially?
Well, make sure you're hydrated, drinking water,
Yeah.
electrolytes,
Oh, well.
and you need to take some kind of inflammatory for your head. So like an
Oh.
ibuprofen or something like that. Advil.
Oh, thank you so much.
Why are
Thank
you
you so
laughing?
much. You know what?
You're welcome.
Yeah, welcome. You know what? Thank you for watching my videos and keep supporting.